Climbing Mount Everest. With a height of 29,035 feet above sea level, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. It is located in Asia between the countries of Tibet and Nepal in the Himalaya Mountains. For years, the only people who climbed on the mountain were people from these countries. Still, no one had ever reached the top. In 1921, two British men were the first to try to reach Everest's summit. Explorers George Lee Mallory and Andrew Irvine managed to climb to altitudes higher than anyone had reached before. They returned to the mountain several times. On one trip, they survived an avalanche that killed 7 of their climbing guides. In 1924, however, they disappeared. Mallory's body was finally excavated in 1999 at 27,000 feet. To this day, no one knows what happened to Irvine. It wasn't until 1953 that the summit was finally reached. It took Edmund Hillary and his guide Tenzing Norgay 2 months to accomplish the task. The news reached England on the same day that Queen Elizabeth II became the country's monarch. When Hillary and Norgay returned, they became famous all over the world. Queen Elizabeth II made Hillary a knight and gave Norgay a medal. More than 2,200 people have climbed Everest since then. The climb usually takes 2.5 months. Climbers must move slowly because air becomes harder to breathe at high altitudes. There are 15 different routes that go to the top of the mountain, and all of them are dangerous. For many people, though, the risk is worth it. After all, you really can't beat the view. Number 1. Where is Mount Everest located? Number 2. Why did George Lee Mallory and Andrew Irvine stop trying to climb Mount Everest in 1924? Number 3. When was the summit of Mount Everest reached for the first time? Number 4. How was Edmund Hillary honored for reaching the top of Mount Everest? Number 5. Why must people climb Mount Everest slowly?